Alright, so this is an example of an installed bag lid kit, and what we're using is Rockford Fosgate's template, which we simply set on the stock lid, and we trace around this with a jigsaw or an air saw or whatever your choice of tool is. Very, very handy little piece of equipment right here. And once we've got it cut out, there's actually a double gasketed sandwich, if you will, that gets installed on the lid to make sure that it doesn't leak water. And these do not leak water. There's a lot of companies out there that make aftermarket lids, things like that, that tend to leak a little bit of water. Rockford Fosgate systems do not leak water. And here's what the inside of the bag looks like. And as you can see, it takes up about a baseball cap's worth of room, which isn't a whole lot. Now, if you don't want to get rid of any of your bag space, that's totally okay. They've got the Stage 2 kit available, and we have lowers available for you, or if you have a tour pack with speakers, we can do that as well. But this is the tried and true method of getting a good size 6x9 speaker in the lid of your motorcycle. So that's the TMS 69 BL14 kit, and they also make it for the 98 to 13 touring models as well. So go to our website, www.soundconnectioninc.com. Check them out, and if you have questions, give us a call. Thanks for watching.